Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to play Call of Duty Mobile on your Xbox Easy method. First, install the streaming app or enable Xbox Cloud features, then sign into your account and link your mobile game profile. Pair your Xbox controller via Bluetooth or USB, adjust touch and control mappings, and test latency with a quick match. If needed, lower graphics or enable performance mode to reduce lag and get a smoother experience. Prepare the essentials before you start. Download the streaming app on your phone and update your Xbox to the latest system software. Make sure your Xbox is connected to the router by Ethernet when possible, and confirm the controller firmware is current. Log into the same account on both devices and grant any required permissions, then restart both devices if connections fail. Small tweaks here prevent big headaches when you start playing. Start by opening the streaming app and selecting your Xbox from the device list, then initiate remote play to mirror the console to your phone. Launch Call of Duty Mobile on the mirrored screen or within the app and switch to controller input. Tweak sensitivity, button layout, and dead zone settings for the controller. Run a quick bot match to check aim and latency, and adjust graphics or network settings if you notice drift or stutter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.